Little ones, welcome back to the English class. Today, let's learn a poem titled Birds and do few activities related to the story The Bird. Okay, dear children, all of you look at the picture. Have you seen the nests of birds? Have you seen young birds in nests? Can they fly? No. Who brings food to them? Yes, mother bird. How do mother birds feed the young birds? Have you thrown stones at nest? Have you stolen young birds from nest? No. If yes, have you thought about the grief of their mother bird? The mother birds too have sorrows like our mother's sorrows. Okay, dear children. Let's watch the poem. Page number 152. If ever I see on bush or tree young birds in a pretty nest, I must not in my play steal the birds away to grieve their mother's breast. My mother I know would sorrow so, should I be stolen away. So I'll speak to the birds in my softest words, not hurt them in my play. Dear children, do you enjoy this poem? Dear children, what is the theme of the poem? Okay, let's look. Theme of the poem. I may see young birds in nests. Even for the sake of play, I will not steal the young birds because it will cause sorrow to mother bird. I know my mother will also feel great sorrow if I am stolen away. So I will always speak to the birds lovingly and will never hurt them in any way. This is the theme of the poem. Okay, dear children, do you know who is the speaker of this poem? Yeah, a girl. There are two mothers in the poem. Who are they? Yes, the mother bird and the girl's mother. Why will the girl not steal birds from their nest? Yes, the girl knows well that it will grieve their mother. Why does the girl use the softest words to the birds? Yes, she loves them very much. She thinks that hard words will hurt them. Okay, dear children, let's move on to the activities. In the last class, we discussed first activity. Okay, today, let's look the rest of the activities. Page number 154. Dear children, look at the pictures. What do the birds and animals in these pictures do? Dear children, look at the first picture. In this picture, a woman uses a parrot to predict future. She shuts the bird in a cage. She has trained it to draw a cover from a set. With the help of the picture in the cover, she says our future. The bird loses its freedom. It cannot enjoy any pleasure. So, it is cruel to shut the bird in a cage. Dear children, let's look next picture. What do you see here? Yes, in this picture, a monkey tamer is making his monkey play tricks. He gets money. The monkey gets thrashing. The monkey loses its freedom. It cannot enjoy any pleasures. So, it is also a cruel action. Okay, let's look third picture. What do you see here? Yeah, in this picture, a bullock cart driver makes the bullocks draw his cart and load. He often beats the bullocks with a whip. The bullocks have no freedom. They cannot enjoy any pleasures. It is also unfair and cruel. Dear children, who makes them work? Yeah, people. Is it right to use animals for these purposes? No. Dear children, prepare a poster and 2 placards against treating animals like this. I just show one example. Okay? Please you write other poster and placards against treating animals like this. Okay? Okay, dear children, let's look next activity. Read the following statements based on the story The Bird. They are given in jumbled order. Arrange them in the order of occurrence in the story. This is an homework. Dear children, please you read the story carefully. Okay, and arrange them in the order of occurrence in the story. Okay, dear children, let's look next activity. Look at the following sentences from the story The Bird. Cero stood there waiting for the birds, but the birds were scared of him. Here, but expresses an idea which is different from contrast with what is stated earlier. Look at the pictures and the sentences given along them. Fill in the blanks as is done in the first box. Okay, let's look. Dear children, here we can see the man is tall, but he is weak. Okay, let's look next picture. The t-shirt is beautiful, but it is very small. Next, the boy likes to ride the bicycle, but it is very big. Okay, let's look next picture. The girl wants to pluck flowers, but they are very high. Next picture. The boy is trying to lift the sack, but it is very heavy. Okay, dear children, let's look next activity. Page number 157. Project work. We see a lot of birds around us. Observe them and complete the table given below. Try to describe each bird in 3 or 4 sentences using the details you have collected. I just show one example. Dear children, please you complete the table and describe each bird in 3 or 4 sentences using the details you have collected. Okay? First column, name of the bird. Next, color of feathers. Next, color of beak. Then color of feet. Next, place where you see them. Last column, time when you see them. Okay? Okay, let's write. Please you write here name of the bird. Parrot. Color of feathers? Green. Color of beak? Red. Color of feet? Grey. Place where you see them? Yeah, on a tree near my house. Time when you see the parrot? In the evening. Okay, let's describe the parrot. Parrot is a beautiful bird. It has green feathers and a red beak. Its feet are grey in color. One evening I saw it on a tree near my house. Okay, dear children, describe other birds in the same way. Okay, let's look next activity. My words. Make as many words as you can connecting the letters given in the circle. You have to connect them using EA. One is spread. Next, lead. Okay, dear children, please you find out more words. Okay, this is homework. Okay, let's look next activity. What did Sero's mother say in the following context? Find out and write them down in appropriate places. The last one has been done for you. First column, context. Second column, what the mother said. Okay, let's look. First one, Sero got a trap as a birthday gift. What the mother said? Yeah, it is not a good plaything. Next, Sero caught a bird. Mother answered, you had better let it go. Next, he forgot all about the bird. What the mother said? Yes, see how you have forgotten your bird.